Welcome. Today I'll walk you through how to use some and any when they are used as pronouns. Suppose you want to include part of the feedback from the clients in your report to be submitted to the management. Would you write? Some of our clients' feedback on our products are also included for your consideration. Or, any of our clients' feedback on our products is also included for your consideration. If you are unsure which one you should choose, you may watch on to find out more. We use some to talk about an indefinite amount of something when it is used as a pronoun. We can say, some object to the motion. The exact number is not given. Let's see another example. You'll find some of our suggestions on page 5 of this report. We can also use some to talk about something being a part of something bigger. For example, when we say all of our students are lovely and some students are smarter than the others, we mean all students are lovely and part of them are smarter. Some of our recommendations have been adopted. Another way of saying it is not all of our recommendations have been adopted. We use any to refer to an amount or a number, no matter how big or small. We usually use any after if, without, hardly and scarcely. Let's see the following examples. Please let me have your updates, if any. Hardly any of our students failed the test. We also use any to refer to one or more than one of something or somebody which we do not care about. Let's look at the following examples. You may borrow any 5 of the books on that bookshelf. Any of these dresses looks good on you. We can also use some and any in forming questions. If you want to know more, you may check out my video here. In conclusion, we use some to mean a number of something or part of something bigger. We use any to mean an amount, no matter how big or small, and to mean one or more than one of something or somebody which we do not care about. That's it for this time. Thank you and see you next time.